Good morning, students. Today we are going to see cash book. Important chapter, cash book, receipt and payment account. But before starting any session, first we will revise all our traditional approach and modern approach entries, basic rules of accounts. So in traditional approach, as you are aware, the first rule is personal account, debit the debtor, credit the creditor, and debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Remember, in one of the true or false, it is given that debtor becomes receiver. That is wrong. So please rectify. We will update it in the study material in next batch. So better it is debtors account. Debtors is always becomes giver, okay, and creditor becomes receiver. So one true or false I think आपके study material में गलत हो गया है. After that, real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. In case of modern approach, asset shows debit balance, expenses shows debit balance, income shows credit balance, liability shows credit balance, and then capital shows credit balance. Okay. So friends, in last session we have seen trial balance. Trial balance better, there are three methods. One is a total method, which is not popular one. So total method, after that balance method. Balance method is a popular one in which we can take a total of debit minus credit or credit minus debit. So ledger accounts also very important from exam point of view and in your real not exam point of view, but in your real life point of view. So you have to visualize this ledger. So ledger accounts, yes, I will recall some ledgers only for you, beta. Please revise it quickly. So expenses account pro forma, debit plus credit minus expenses to prepaid, by prepaid to cash, by P&L, and by payable to payable. Okay, so on first line by payable, to payable on the last line. Income account beta, to receivable, by received in advance, to received in advance, by cash, and to P&L. So this is a pro forma of income account. So debtors account pro forma, to balance brought down, by balance carried down, to sales by cash, by sales return, by bad debt, by discount allowed, and then by balance carried down. So it's very simple. Creditors account, credit plus debit minus, by balance brought down, to balance carried down, by purchases, to cash, to discount received, to deficiency, and to purchase return. This is a pro forma of creditors account. And in case of fixed asset, debit plus credit minus, to balance brought down, to cash, additional cash additions, by cash if a selling price, by depreciation is important, by cash is a sold, by loss or to profit will be the pro forma of fixed assets. So this is a quick revision of your all chapters till now. In subsidiary books, yes, if you remember, in case of subsidiary books, you record subsidiary books only because you want to save your time, not through journal entries, because journal is a chronological order. And if there are large number of transactions in case of credit purchases, credit sales, in case of return inward and return outward, then you prepare subsidiary books. So subsidiary books are divided in 8 parts. One is a purchase book, second one is a sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills receivable book, bills payable book, cash book. Today we are going to see cash book, and last one is a journal proper. So residual entries will be recorded in the journal proper. So this is how. And that last were purchases, yes, you have two pro forma. Either you go by detail column or you go by that gross amount less trade discount is a net amount plus plus your freight, and then you have total amount. So better, this is very simple pro forma of your cash book. So friends, so not cash book, sorry, purchase book. So purchase book, ये pro forma आपको समझ में आया होगा. And one important point that you left, that purchase return. So purchase return जब होता है, then you prepare a debit note, and in case of sales return you prepare a credit note. So PD and CS, that two words are very important for your debit note and credit note. So trial balance, if it does not tally, beta, trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy and not gives foolproof answer, assurity that your answer is correct or your books of accounts are correct, is not the 100% assurance, but it is only arithmetical accuracy, because debit is equal to credit. In that case, you don't have to open suspense account, but better suppose if debit is greater than credit, then you will open on the smallest side. So credit side you will open a suspense account, or suppose if debit is less than credit side, then suspense account is on the debit side. So बहुत ही आसान रिवीजन था. Yes, any confusion better till now? Yes. I expect every one of you, please. Yes, चलो 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 चलो. वॉइस आ रहा है ना अच्छे से? वॉइस देखो एक बार. आशीष कुमार, दैट वाज अ रिवीजन बेटा. रिवीजन में इतना स्लो नहीं ले सकता हूं. ओके चलिए, वेलकम पवनप्रीत कौर बेटा। चलिए, तो आज हम लोग कैश बुक से शुरू करते हैं। आशीष कुमार जी, रिवीजन तो फास्ट ही होगा बेटा, आपको पहले के सेशंस मेरे देखने ही पड़ेंगे, तो ही आपको ये रिवीजन थोड़ा अच्छे से लगेगा। ओके, हाँ, सम स्टूडेंट्स आर आस्किंग मी सर, आज एक क्वेरी आया था कि व्हाट इज स्कैनर। स्कैनर मींस नथिंग बट इट्स अ पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस। Second important point that students please understand, we have only 8 days to finish this accounting process and even first chapter, so it's very difficult for me to take each and every question in the class. So it's always better whenever I think these are important questions which will improve your basics, that questions I normally take it in the class. And scanner questions, yes, I told you about scanner. You please order scanner. Scanner is nothing but it's a past examination questions, that is a set, full set बेटा। so ये होता है स्कैनर। तो प्लीज मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आप सबको, आप स्कैनर बाय कर लेना, तो आके आपको पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस भी समझ में आएंगे। ओके, चलो, सो वॉइस इज बराबर है ना बेटा, वॉइस इज गुड? यस सर, अगर लेजर याद न करने के समझे ले, याद करने से बेटा, याद करने से क्या होता है, आपकी मेमोरी जो है वो और बढ़ेगी, अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। तो लेजर अकाउंट से प्रोफॉर्मा याद करो। लॉजिकली तो जाना ही हमें, पर लॉजिकल से भी ज्यादा बेटा कभी कभी रट लिया ना, तो अपने को अपने आप विजुअलाइज होता है कि सेल्स बोला तो डेटर्स के अकाउंट के डेबिट में आएगा एंड सेल्स अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड पे बाय डेटर्स आएगा। तो ये जो होता है ना, ये आपका विजुअलाइजेशन बढ़ता है, इसीलिए लेजर्स को, प्रोफॉर्मस को याद करने की कोशिश करो। सर, परचेज बुक एंड सेल्स बुक में सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी, आईजीएसटी कॉलम नहीं बनाने क्या? सर बना सकते हो, डोंट वरी, आप जीएसटी का भी कॉलम बना सकते हो। ओके, चलिए, चलिए, so let's start with the cash book. Sir, what is cash book? Oh, which transactions are to be recorded in cash book? Sir, first question to yourself, which transactions are you are going to record in the cash book? Cash transactions are recorded in cash book. So beta, cash transactions, any receipts, any payments, that you are going to record it in the cash book. So why cash book is a subsidiary book as well as principal book? Very, very important point. Sir, can you tell me purchase book total, you are taking it in which account? Purchase book. Yes beta, I already told you it in the subsidiary books. So in subsidiary books, you know this concept that purchase book total, you took it in which account beta? You take it in which account? Chalo, फटाफट। Yes, कहां पे लेना है परचेज बुक का टोटल? परचेज बुक का टोटल कहां पे लेना है? Very good beta, very good. So purchase book total, we take it in purchase account. Remember, we take it in the purchase account. But here cash book and cash account are not different. Cash book is equivalent to cash account. So remember, cash book and cash account are same, are not different. Remember, yes, write down, cash book and cash account are same. Okay, very good, very good. So write down it, cash account and bank account, we record simultaneously in this cash book. So cash book is consisting of cash account also and bank account also. Remember, Now beta, this is very traditional approach. Okay, now we are using it in the software, so we do not have that cash account. We prepare it normally. If you want cash account extract, you will get it immediately, and even bank account extract. But beta, Munimji accounting, at that time when there were no computers, okay, at that time how to record this, that we have to understand. If there are no computers, how we are going to record it, that we have to understand in the cash book. Okay, so manual cash book. Now how मुनीम जी लोग ये अकाउंट्स बनाते थे, वो हमें इसमें समझ के लेना है. ओके, चलो. So everyone has written beta, cash book and cash account are same. Cash book and cash account are same. Sir, purchase book and purchase account, are they are not same, sir. Purchase book ka total we take it in the purchase account. Purchase book ka total we take it in the purchase account. तो ये याद रखो. पर cash book और cash account दोनों same रहने वाला है. Sir, yes, sir, got this concept. Chalo, let's move to next one. Which are these types, beta? What are the types of cash book? Okay, so how many cash book types? So there are 3 cash book, beta, 3 types of cash book. So either you go by, yes, if your transactions are not more in bank account, so you can maintain cash account separately and bank account on separately, not in one column. So beta, iska logic samajh lo. Yes, first understand the logic. Okay, sir. So first thing, can you tell us logic behind it, beta? Yes. Cash account and bank account. Cash account and bank account. Sir, if cash account transactions are few and bank account transactions are few, so it's better to prepare separate accounts. No problem. But this is one type of cash book. So cash account separately, bank account separately, and even discount is also separate. Okay, so I will tell you what is the logic behind it. Okay, what is the logic behind it? Discount account, तो आपको क्या याद रखना है कि कैश अकाउंट सेपरेट होगा, बैंक अकाउंट सेपरेट होगा, दोनों अकाउंट जो है वो आप सेपरेट सेपरेट मेंटेन करोगे. But suppose if it's better, अभी for example, if Vijay is my debtor, Vijay is a debtor of rupees 1000, of rupees 1000. Suppose विजय मेरा डेटर है कितने रुपए का? 1000 रुपए का. And he pays me. So this is my receipt side. Date, particulars. This is my receipt side of cash book. Debit is cash comes in. So debit is cash comes in. And payment side goes out. So cash comes in. So debit what comes in, beta? Date, particulars, rupees. Date, particulars, rupees. So here I will consider cash comes in. 2, suppose on 1st Jan, he has paid me only 980 rupees. So cash account debit to Vijay 980. Cash account debit to Vijay 980. And 20 rupees is a discount. So I will prepare discount allowed account. It's my loss. Loss debit plus. Loss means I will record it on debit side to Vijay separately 20 rupees. So same name to Vijay, but 2 separate accounts. Can you tell me, instead of writing 2 different ledger accounts, if I prepare 2 columns, discount column and cash column. If I prepare 2 columns, discount and cash, which is more easy? Yes, you only tell me. to prepare separate columns or whether to prepare one account, two separate ledgers, or only one ledger and two separate account columns, which is more easy. आप मुझे बताओ, मैं कैश बुक में एक कैश अकाउंट में लिखूंगा टू विजय, आई गॉट 980 रुपीज एंड डिस्काउंट कॉलम में 20 रुपीज. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट मैंने क्या किया, कैश अकाउंट में कैश बुक में मैंने लिखा 980 विजय से मिला, और उस दिन ही बाजू में दो बार विजय विजय लिखने से अच्छा मेरा काम भी सेव हो जाएगा एंड आई कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द डिस्काउंट ऑल्सो. 20 rupees on the debit side and got rupees 980 from the Vijay. So 1000 is a total receivable. So which is better one? Can you tell me? Yes, जल्दी से मुझे बताइए. Yes. One ledger, two accounts. Yes, very good, beta. Very good. Very good. So everyone answered, sir, one account, only cash book and two separate columns is more easy. Discount account also and cash collection. Similarly, suppose I have to pay Sangam rupees 500. How much amount I want to pay? 500. So instead of 500, I paid to Sangam 460. So 40 rupees is my discount. Discount received. Okay, so I paid only 460 and I received discount of rupees 40. So beta, which is easier beta, to prepare two columns separately? Yes. Okay. Yes, लेजर फोलियो अकाउंट आपको बनाना जरूरी है. लेजर को जर्नल फोलियो आप बनाओगे, और यहाँ पे आप जर्नल फोलियो कॉलम इसलिए नहीं बनाओगे क्योंकि आप जर्नल एंट्रीज ही नहीं कर रहे हो. तो जर्नल एंट्रीज नहीं किए तो डायरेक्टली आपको इसी बुक में करना है, डायरेक्टली इसी लेजर में करना है. तो आप ये केस में जर्नल फोलियो कॉलम नहीं बनाओगे बिकॉज कैश बुक एंड कैश अकाउंट आर सेम. सो नो नीड टू प्रिपेयर जर्नल फोलियो. यस, नहीं. So here no journal folio column. No journal folio column. No need to prepare it. Okay, chalo. Let's come to these three types of cash book. Simple cash book. चलिए सिंपल कैश बुक. चलो कोल्ड कॉफी पी लेता हूं अभी, बहुत ठंडा हो गया. ओके, चलिए ध्यान दीजिए. This is called as double column. This is called as double column. Three types. Sanket sir, I am not getting. Can you please tell me? Yes, I am going to explain you now. Types of cash book. Which are types of cash book? Simple cash book, two columns cash book, three columns cash book. Only cash column. So beta, only which column beta? Only cash column. In two columns beta, you have cash and discount column, and in triple column you have cash, discount and bank column. Write down this. Yes, prepare index fast. चलो इंडेक्स बना लो जल्दी जल्दी. इंडेक्स बनाओ. Yes. चलो फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट. Prepare types of cash book. Simple cash book, two column cash book, three columns cash book. Yes, tell me over after writing this. Tell me over. इंडेक्स बना लो. वन पेज इंडेक्स बेटा, वन पेज इंडेक्स इज सफिशिएंट. एक पेज का इंडेक्स सफिशिएंट 6. टाइप्स ऑफ कैश बुक. चलो फटाफट 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 राइट इट राइट इट राइट इट. टुडे वी हैव टू कंप्लीट. Today I am going to take some theoretical distribution का part after the break. Yes, first chapter. बेटा 2 कॉलम्स में कैश एंड डिस्काउंट कॉलम आएगा, नॉट कैश एंड बैंक कॉलम. हरनूर कौर जी, कैश एंड डिस्काउंट कॉलम. यस, ओके. ओवर 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 ओवर. चलिए, so simple cash book, sir. First, please explain what is simple cash book. Balancing of cash book. It is balanced like other accounts. Okay. Total receipt is greater than total payment, then by balance carried down. And if format of simple cash book, you can see here date particulars. You can check date particulars. You can see here if you want to prepare instead of LF, you can prepare. Sorry, this is ledger only, so this format is not correct actually. So this is JF, journal folio, not ledger folio. So please ये मैं rectify कर दूंगा study material में भी और इसमें भी. So journal folio, and on the last line you will write by balance carried down. On the last line you can see here it's a by balance carried down. So by balance carried down आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay, very easy. In case of 2 columns, बेटा लॉस डेबिट प्लस ना, लॉस को डेबिट बैलेंस होता है तो लॉस डेबिट साइड पे आएगा. 2 कॉलम्स कैश बुक बेटा फॉर्मेट. सो टेल मी अकाउंट्स. यस, फटाफट फटाफट. विच कॉलम्स बेटा 2 कॉलम्स कैश बुक में सर ने क्या सिखाया, जल्दी से लिखे इन कमेंट सेक्शन, राइट डाउन 2 कॉलम्स कैश बुक. चलो फटाफट फटाफट. वेरी गुड बेटा. आज साउथ के स्टूडेंट्स बहुत आंसर दे रहे. साउथ स्टूडेंट्स वेरी गुड. Who is answering fast? Let's see. 2 columns cash book. 2 columns cash book. Fast beta. Let's see. Sir, who answered fast beta? No, NRO, Priyanshu ji. डिस्काउंट की जगह अगर बैड डेट हुआ तो नो बेटा, बैड डेट हुआ तो बैड डेट अकाउंट्स में. टुडे रोहिणी जाना जी बेटा ERO स्टूडेंट. एंड टुडे SRO स्टूडेंट्स. यस, आज तो SRO बहुत है. NRO, WRO, CRO, SRO, very good, very good. So format of double column cash book fast. Format of double column cash book, date particulars. LF column, please beta scratch it. Huh? Don't prepare LF column. It's a mistake beta because this is a ledger only. So it's a JF. And discount allowed. Discount allowed. Why? Because this is first column. Discount allowed is a loss. So loss on the debit side. Discount received, you can see here discount received. Discount received is on the credit side. It's a gain. So discount received is on the credit side, and then payment side. So receipt, payment. And whenever we are making payment, we receive discount. Sir, first day lecture, first day session, when we are paying संगम को पे किया था, दैट इज अ संगम ने डिस्काउंट रिसीव किया था. एंड अजिंक्य के केस में डिस्काउंट अलाउड था. ओके, सो बैड डेट्स की एंट्री भी थी उसमें. सो बैड डेट्स वी विल प्रिपेयर सेपरेटली. इट हैज अ सेपरेट लेजर अकाउंट, बट व्हेनेवर डिस्काउंट कॉलम्स आर देयर, इट्स बेटर टू प्रिपेयर इट साइमल्टेनियसली. डिस्काउंट अलाउड, डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड. ओके, वेरी इजी सर, वेरी इजी. 2 balance brought down and by balance cut down. But wait. Important point. Make sure now this point is very important. Don't balance discount allowed column and discount received column. You cannot net off. Sir, what is the meaning, sir? What is the meaning of net off? Please tell me. What is the meaning of net off? Yes, understand it. Understand it. Discount allowed column. Total is 400. डिस्काउंट अलाउड कॉलम की टोटल है 400 एंड डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड कॉलम, डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड कॉलम टोटल इज 600. सर डिस्काउंट अलाउड की टोटल इज 400 एंड डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड की टोटल इज 600. सो यू शुड नॉट टेक डायरेक्टली 200. नो, 200 no, it's not allowed. Direct balancing. Discount allowed में, sorry, if you prepare P&L account, इफ यू प्रिपेअर पी अँड एल अकाउंट, पी अँड एलच्या डेबिटला, पी अँड एलच्या डेबिटला, पी अँड एल के डेबिट में, मराठी में बोला थोड़ा, हाँ, सो पी एंड एल के डेबिट में, अकाउंटिंग इज अ लैंग्वेज ना बेटा, डेबिट क्रेडिट ओनली, हाँ, सो discount allowed is on the debit side and discount received on the credit side. You should not take net off. Don't balance. Write down it in the comment section. Don't balance. Beta, receipt and payment, you can make a balance. But discount allowed and discount received, you can't balance, sir. You can't balance. Okay. Sir, how you make such a beautiful PPT? By experience, beta. सर क्लास इज इंटरेस्टिंग, अंजना जी बोल रही है, वरुण ने पूछा था। ओके बेटा, पीपीटी से वो याद हो जाता है ना आपको, इसलिए पीपीटी बनाता हूँ। ओके, सो पी एंड एल अकाउंट, पी एंड एल अकाउंट में क्या करना है, टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड 400 एंड बाय डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड 600। ओके, यू कैनॉट नेट ऑफ, नेट ऑफ मीन्स बैलेंस, नेट ऑफ मीन्स बैलेंस, यू कैनॉट बैलेंस इट, यू विल टेक टोटल ऑफ डिस्काउंट अलाउड, यू विल टेक टोटल ऑफ डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड। चलो 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 फास्ट, ए राइट डाउन ना यार बेटा, प्लीज राइट इट। Foundation students, I really don't understand. They are not making it interactive. You are not face-to-face student. So please be active in the class. Type it very fast. Sir, paper one, which theory we have to memorize? Beta, I will tell you, don't worry. Rafiq bhai, ये देखो आकुल कुमार, मिस्टर आकुल कुमार, शुरू नहीं हुआ लेक्चर, आपको ब्रेक चाहिए, यू आर सीए स्टूडेंट। Now Subhasri is asking me, sir, what is index? अरे बेटा प्लीज सी माय प्रीवियस सेशंस, इंडेक्स ही नहीं पता इनको। Discount is better, we have to write it separately. Logic is very simple. Logic is very simple. Discount is on, discount allowed is a separate account, discount received is a separate account, and as per accounting standard 9 revenue recognition, you cannot merge it. Okay, it's very simple that you have to record it separately. Yes beta, cash account we are going to balance. चलिए, cash plus discount received, cash received plus discount allowed, and cash paid plus discount received. Sorry guys, network issue. Sir, what is discount allowed or received? Yes, let's take a simple example. Payable to Mr. X rupees 100. So already explained. Payable to Mr. X rupees 100, but he find settlement of 90. So this is received. So whenever we are making payment, then we receive discount. And where, yes, so where to record beta? 200 rupees assume balance is there. So by Mr. X, 10 rupees is so 90 rupees. यस, क्या हो रहा है? अभी हो गया वापस शुरू. ओके, थोड़ा पता नहीं, आज थर्सडे का, ट्यूसडे, आज ट्यूसडे, तो आज तो नहीं होना चाहिए इधर, बारिश की वजह से थोड़ा. देखता हूँ मैं, 2 नेट है, दूसरा अभी नहीं चल रहा है. ठीक है, अभी हो गया क्या स्टेबल? करना है शुरू. चलिए, सॉरी गाइस, वापस टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा सा. डिस्काउंट अलाउड कॉलम, यू अंडरस्टूड इट नाउ, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. डिस्काउंट अलाउड कॉलम. So we will now see what is 3-column cash book. So what is 3-column cash book? Okay, 3 columns cash book. Understand it. What is bank column? Receipts and payments by checks. So beta, receipt and payment. Now here, one extra account that we are going to prepare, and that is a bank account column. So this is the last one. So 3-column cash book, we will prepare cash account. We will prepare if we are receiving any check. So on the receipt side, and on the payment side, when we are paying any check on the payment side. Contra entry is very important, yes, feature of this 3-column cash book. So 3-column cash book, when we pay a deposit, so beta, when we deposit the amount, it is called as contra entry. So what is contra entry? When we deposit amount in the bank, or we withdraw amount from the bank, it is called as contra entry. Okay. And suppose if you have more than 3-4 banks, so for every bank you have a separate ledger account. So every bank you have a separate ledger account. Yes. Cash, discount, and bank account. So but a bank related entries will be in 3-column cash book. So 3-column cash book talks about cash account, bank account, and discount account. So all these 3 columns cash book beta is very simple, that you prepare separate columns for this cash account, bank account, discount account. So whenever you are receiving any check on the receipt side, and whenever you are issuing any check, that will be on the payment side. Receipt, suppose ICI is giving me a check, so this is my receipt side. And when I'm paying to ICI on the payment side, it is called as payment side. Okay, so receipt side and payment side. Chaliye, I hope you got the concept. Chalo, fast. Prachi Chopra ji, Kanish Sharma, cash bank discount, contra. Yes, I will explain the contra. Don't worry. Arshdeep, प्लीज आप मुझे अकाउंट्स के क्वेश्चन पूछे. आप प्लीज एक सीरियस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो, आप यहाँ पे टाइम पास के लिए नहीं आए हो. यू आर सीएस स्टूडेंट. चलिए, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री. I will explain you what is contra entry. Let's see. Suppose here it is a discount allowed column. Cash account and ICICI bank account. Discount received, cash account, ICICI bank account. Now beta, assume I am depositing beta 1 lakh rupees in the bank or 15,000 rupees in the bank. I am depositing 15,000 rupees in the bank. So my bank balance will increase. When my bank balance increases, I will debit. And when my bank balance decreases, I will credit. Okay. So now it's deposit. Deposit means bank balance is going to increase. Assume 15,000 bank balance is increased.